Hello everybody, welcome. Another ASDA Essentials today, sweet and sour chicken. I don't like this, can't stand the stuff sweet and sour chicken. So Nat's going to be doing the food taste on it. See what it's like, because I could just give it a bad review from the start, so I don't like it. So it's going to be a simple one. Let's open it up, let's have a look. Right, yeah, so ASDA Just Essentials, sweet and sour chicken with rice. Calories are 402 calories, microwaved, each microwaved, yeah, okay, bit of sugar, bit of salt. Where's all the ingredients gone? Let's have a look. Here they are. You want to have a read of them if you can, unless you're blind like me, can't see nothing. Nutrition's there as well. And how do we cook it? I have to look over the top here. Place on a microwavable plate and cook for full power for 6 minutes, 700 watt. 6 minutes, 900 watt. So 6 minutes first, it's blowing up, look. Peel back the film lid, stir both sides separately and recover and cook for a further 4.5 minutes, 700 watt. 3.5 minutes, 900 watt. And lay to stand. Right, so quite simple then, chuck in the microwave. Now sweet and sour chicken is one of our Nat's favourites. So, does it say piece the film lid on there? Can't forgot. Should do, shouldn't it? Yeah, piece the film lid. There it is, you can't see much at the minute, can we? So I piece the lid. There we go. I'll get it in the microwave then for 6 minutes, then we'll get it out, we'll give it a stir. Right, it's been 6 minutes, get it out and we'll give it a stir. There it is, and we'll give it a stir now. Stir both sides, so open both sides. We'll do the rice first, we'll stir the rice. Big bit of chicken there, look. The peel is looking alright, look, it's coming off. To be honest, so far the rice hasn't clumped together. You know, the rice clumps together sometimes, that seems quite thingy, quite normal. Do this side. There's no frozen bits in there, so that's a good sign. Right, back in the microwave then. It's not very warm actually, it's okay. Still a bit, it's a bit hot. Right, it's all done. Gonna get it out, mate. There it is. Can't see much at the minute, can you, obviously? I'll leave it to stand for 1 minute, it says. So I'll do it as it says on the instructions. The rice still isn't clumped up, which I'm very surprised at. I thought it might have been a bit clumpy, but it ain't. But we'll see when we dish it up anyway. Right, it's been a minute, got a plate. So we're going to dish the rice first. We'll get that up first on the plate. Still boiling hot. You can see the rice. Oh, that's clumped up a bit now, look. Now I've took it out. Will it be bullet rice? No, yeah, it doesn't feel the best now. It doesn't feel soft and fluffy. There's the rice, making the mess as usual. And there's the sweet and sour chicken. Still a bit of rice there, look. Let's get that on. Ah, it's hot. Let's get the sweet and sour chicken on. First impressions, you get a bowl full, don't you? You do get a plate full. And it was 90 pence, I think it was, if I can remember correctly. Anyway, I'm not going to try it, and that is. So I'll go and get her. I've got the taster here. There it is, give you a closer look now, you can see it.
I don't know what you was going to say then.
Huh? What was
I've
I
got
gonna
the towel, doesn't it?
say? It's got my teeth in. And that's favourite, sweet and sour, ain't it, Bab? Sweet and sour. But only if it's cooked properly. Ain't ya? We did do one, I think was it Aldi and Morrison's we done before?
Morrison's was so nice.
Yeah, you enjoyed the Morrison's one, didn't you? I think it was anyway, can't remember. It was ages ago.
Smells really vinegary.
Smells vinegary. You go on and have a crack.
I'll have some rolls first. Okay.
It's yeah, 90p it was.
Was it?
And it was a plate full. What's the rice like?
It's not too bad. I thought it'd be like bullets, but it's not.
It's not, it's okay. Okay, the rice is okay, she says.
Excuse me.
Try a bit of the sauce first, and then have the chicken after. Then have a bit all together.
I'll just add some sauce with my rice. The sauce isn't the best.
Sauce isn't the best.
No.
Bland or just...
Very bland, but then it's that vinegary taste afterwards.
It's got a vinegar taste on it.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the chicken like?
Not very good.
Not very good?
It's chewy. It's hard. Not like hard, it's like rubbery.
Rubbery chicken, yeah, microwave chicken. Have a crack together.
I'm going to try and try this chicken.
You can't eat the chicken. Oh. Not a good sign, that, Bab.
Ugh. I'll have some more together now.
Hot, yes. You always do that. Always.
No.
No, don't like
Very
it.
nice.
No, don't like it. No?
Altogether, it just makes it feel bland. Then you've got the rubber chicken. Then you've got that vinegary taste.
Let me have it. I don't like it, so I'm going to give it a bad review anyway. But let me
Yeah,
have a little
try.
spoon and let me have a little try.
It's because they've got a big spoonful out in the middle.
Let me have a crack. Oh, it's been cooked, hasn't it? It's been cooking for what, 10 and a half minutes or whatever it was. So let me have a little try.
That's what I mean.
Oh, there's nothing there, is there? Oh,
It's
no.
really bland.
Yeah?
But if you add like the rice and some sauce on its own, it don't taste too
I'll
bad.
try a bit of chicken myself.
Altogether, it's not. The chicken's really rubbery. I'm still chewing chicken now.
Is that what you mean?
About
Yeah.
chicken.
Yeah. Oh, no.
But for the money,
90p.
for the money, would I buy it again? Not really, no. Because
No.
it's a waste of money, waste of time.
Wouldn't buy it.
No, not even if it was 90p.
No.
No,
I think that's very bland.
it's not very nice.
There's no sweet and not much sweet and sour there. It's like tastes a little bit, but there's not a lot, is there?
It's that vinegary. You might as well have just put some of that on it.
Red wine vinegar or something on it,
You
yeah.
might have just thrown all that on it. That's what it feels. The aftertaste feels like really vinegary. No.
No.
Not very nice.
Not very nice. There you go. You wouldn't buy it again, would you?
I wouldn't waste
For,
money on
for
it.
90p?
But then saying that,
No.
no, I wouldn't personally buy it.
No.
No.
It's probably better one somewhere else, isn't there, for an extra 50p
But how
or
much was
something.
that one from Morrison's?
I can't remember, but it was
£1
ages ago.
something
£1
like that.
something. They weren't there, was I?
No, I'd rather put the extra to it.
And get one
Go
of them,
and get
or the
one of
Aldi
them.
one or something.
And have some chips with it or something. Yeah. So sorry. No.
Okay, there you go. She doesn't like it.
No.
I don't like sweet and sour anyway, but there you go. Shows ya. Yeah, just another quick one. As I say, I am the old food guy. I'm on the road to 5,000 subs now. Absolutely amazing. 4,700 I think I'm on or something. Wow, mind blowing. Thank you every single one of you. So until the next one, it's just a quick one. I'll do one this afternoon. I'll see what I'm going to do yet. See you later. Bye bye.